Hello, friend. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roshan Pandey, and from today, I will be starting a course on Playwright. So, in this course, I'll let you know about the Playwright, about the concepts of Playwright, what are the Playwright, and I'll also let you know about that how we can create a framework from the scratch and how we actually work into the industry when we are getting assigned with some task, how we are actually performing action onto that task when there will be a huge framework into the industry, into the company, and you will be getting assigned with some particular module, then how you will work onto that module in that framework. I'll let you know about that. This course will be into the TypeScript because nowadays into the industries, most of the company are, implementing Playwright into as a implementing Playwright as their automation tool, and they are using TypeScript. Mostly, most company are using TypeScript as a their framework language. So I will be creating the framework into the TypeScript itself. And then this course will be helpful for beginner because I will be starting it from scratch. So this will be helpful for beginner. Framework will be getting started from the scratch. So this will be helpful for beginner. I'll try to let you know about each and every concept of the Playwright. So yeah, this course will be, it will start from beginner level and I'll take you to the industry level automation professional uh, professional skills, so it will be helpful for all of them. So let's start with the course. Okay, so first, what is Playwright? So Playwright is an open source tool and it is being used to perform automation testing onto web application, mobile application, and we can also perform API testing using Playwright. So what is supported language into the Playwright? Supported language into Playwright are the four language, okay, and actually it has four libraries. So the first library is the Node.js, which supports two language, TypeScript and JavaScript. Node.js is the library and it will support two language, TypeScript and JavaScript. And then another supported library for the Playwright is Java. So in this library will only work onto the Java language. Similar, we have the Python, and similar we have .NET, on which we'll work on C sharp language. Okay, so this was all about the supported. These are all supported library into the Playwright. Okay, and supported browser engine into the Playwright are Chromium, WebKit, and Firefox. When we say the Chromium, so on the Chromium browser engine we have multiple browser, the Chrome, Edge, Opera, like that. We can go to Google and then we can search what are the uh, supported Chromium browser. So Chromium browsers list. So here we can see that Chromium we have the Chrome and list of Chromium based browser. Opera includes free VPN, so Opera is also one of the browser which is based on Chromium. Gecko is for Gecko engine, is for Firefox family, and for Chromium, the complete list of non-Chromium browser, and then let's see this Yandex browser, Commando Dragon. These are on Chromium browser developed and Chromium browser So these are list of Chromium browser. So when we are saying the Chromium browser, so Chromium browser will have Chrome, Edge, Opera, Brave. These are Chromium browser. When we say Firefox, so it will have the Firefox store than this. When we will say WebKit, so we'll have the Safari, Gnome, Web. These are WebKit engine. These are browser based on WebKit engine. Okay, so this was about the engine. These are supported engine into the Playwright. So most supported engine are already into the Playwright. So we don't have the worry about the another browser. Mostly used browser are this only. Okay, so each kind of browser supports are there into the Playwright. We can run the browser in headed and headless mode. So that is also a good feature, because in headed mode you will see what are the execution are happening, and into the headless mode you won't see the execution, but it will be happened into the backend, and you can only see the logs which you have added into your code. Okay, so this will be the feature into the Playwright also. So Playwright is supported on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So wide support of OS is also into the Playwright. So this is also a good thing with the Playwright. Let's see what are the features of the Playwright. So features are like this is a free and open source tool, and so we can use it freely. We don't need to pay any single uh, amount to use this uh, framework. Okay, and we also have the cross browser and cross platform support for automation. So that is also a good thing, because we have seen that what a browser and what a platform it is supporting. So that's why it has cross browser and cross platform support. It is the also a best feature of this is automatic wait. Automatic wait is like in Selenium, we were used to provide the wait to wait for the element, and here we actually don't require to specifically give wait to perform execution, smooth execution of the automation. We because in the Playwright we have the automatic wait. So with the automatic wait, um, execution will have less flaky, and will the test will be reliable. So the next point is fast and reliable. So the Playwright is fast and reliable. Okay, and we can perform parallel test execution into uh, multiple browser. Okay, so this is also supported into the Playwright. Multiple context allowed to maintain multiple user session. So this is also good, because at one time we can run our test on multiple context, from which we can handle multiple user session with one go. Okay, so that this will be also helpful. And powerful locator we have into the Playwright. So get by role, get by text, get by label, these are powerful locator. We'll let you know about these things into the next session or coming session. Okay, we have the rich debugging tool like trash viewer, screenshot, video recording, HTML reports. So these are rich debugging tool. With the trash viewer, you know what is happening when we'll turn it on using the Playwright config into the Playwright config.ts. Then it will show you the execution of each and every steps, and it will show you the comparison uh, it will give you the screenshot of each and every screen. It will give you the detail that in which time what screen got loaded. So it will give you each and every detail into the trace viewer itself. We have the screenshot feature. Just by adding one parameter into your playwright.config.ts, it will record a screenshot of your test. You don't need to add specific code for the screenshot. It will be added in your report by itself just by adding one line of uh, property in your proper playwright config.ts file. I'll let you know about these things later also. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. Just just think that you will get the screenshot easily here itself. Okay, video recording, we also have the option to enable the video recording. So it will enable a video recording in your test, and you will have the access of video that how your execution got happened. When you will execute your test into the night, and morning you will see that how was by adding this feature, morning you will see that how was my execution, whether it got failed, where is it got failed, what happened on the onto that screen. Each and every detail you will find into the video, into the trace viewer, and using the screenshot. So here we have the best debugging tool. Okay, so these are good for the playwright. Okay, mobile and responsive testing. For mobile and responsive testing, it is good. So in this course we are not actually focusing on mobile and responsive testing, but yeah, for later I'll create one video onto that as well. And yeah, in head it can run into headed or headless mode, so that is a good feature of the playwright. So this was about the feature. Okay, let's see what is next. Okay, so this is about the installation of Playwright. We'll let you know about the installation, how we are doing the installation of the Playwright into the next course. For till then, thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll meet into the next session. Thanks for watching.